Learn the secrets of success from this elite group of high-volume originators in the Centurion Roundtable interviews. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
Progress is not possible without change, and PRMG is devoted to providing our wholesale partners across the nation with the best combination of products, pricing, technology, and service. Get approved with PRMG today.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. You're watching the Centurion Roundtable interviews sponsored by our friends over at PRMG. We're meeting with top originators from around the country who utilize technology, excellent support staff, and reliance on industry partners to put more borrowers in homes. Today we're meeting with Nick Crane, who's the Director of Operations for Nationwide Federal Home Loans. Nick, thank you for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Good day to you, and thank you for having me.
So listen, you've been named into the Centurion Roundtable. Let's go right into the numbers. How many loans is your organization putting out in a year?
Well over 100. We're averaging about 120 per year. Is what our numbers are.
Fantastic. Listen, when you're hitting those kind of numbers, how long does it take to get these deals done from application to closing table?
We pride ourselves on 30 days or less from start to finish.
Fantastic. 30 days, start to finish. That's great. Now, to get these loans in, what are you doing? What kind of marketing activities are you guys doing on a consistent basis to bring the business in?
We have multiple avenues that we go down. Most importantly is our referral sources, which is our realtors. So we obviously entertain them, wine and dine them. We put out flyers on behalf for them. We put on or sponsor products like happy hour, say, for example, at one of the local venues. We'll put on a wine tasting, a different one. It varies. But our most important resource is our realtors because 78% of our business is purchase money.
Got it. Very cool. That's an impressive 78%. Phenomenal, considering we just came out of a very, very high refi activity. That's very cool. And considering actually we have nothing but growth set for the purchase market, you guys are set pretty well for the future. So let's talk about that. What's exciting you about the future of the business?
Well, we see that we're in two very prominent markets right now. We're in Colorado and Florida, which, as you know, are both booming. So there's so much growth going on in Colorado right now, and the building is I mean, I could turn the camera around and show you out my window here, and you'll see cranes all over the place. There's construction going on. So we're excited that we're going to continue to see a growth in the purchase market. We don't do a lot of refi business. We never have. So we're excited that we're not going to be hurt by interest rates raising, should they raise.
Right. Well, listen, let me ask you a question. You've been in the business for, I think, almost 2 decades now. Yes. You don't stay in this business unless you really love the business. Talk a little bit about what you love about this business, Nick.
Well, I got into the business 18 years ago with the idea that I wanted to help people get into buying their homes. I saw that as an opportunity. It was great to make money. As I got into it, as the years went on, I realized that it was more fulfilling for me to see the people getting their dream home. I get letters from people that I find 15 years ago still at Christmas time every year saying, thank you, we still love our home, we're in it. And that's what's satisfying.
That's very cool.
I know that sounds corny, but it is true.
Listen, might be a little corny, but I think it's 100% accurate. So that's wonderful. Now, if you could tell us a little bit about how you leverage your relationship with your vendors and lenders to help put more borrowers in homes.
Absolutely. We find that it's the most important thing is to have good relationships with your lenders. Right. And there are so many lenders out there. There are hundreds, if not thousands of them. Yeah. The best thing to do is to find a well-rounded lender, someone like PRMG, who we utilize quite a bit. PRMG does great from top to bottom. And what I mean by top to bottom is from the A paper borrower, from the jumbos, all the way down to the less than perfect credit government borrower. They have a portfolio product, which if you can't get it in through automated underwriting, if you can't get it into Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, they'll probably do it anyway. And you can speak with all the underwriters there, which you can't with a lot of the other lenders, even though we try. The relationship that you have with your lender is probably the most important part of the production end of this industry. And the one that we have with PRMG is by far the best.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, Nick, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Either email at nationwidefederal.com or through my office line, which is 303-558-1500.
Awesome. Well, Nick, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day. And I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
In today's wholesale environment, providing our broker community with the best combination of product, pricing, and fulfillment is paramount to their success. With a strong net worth and delivery of high-quality performing loans to the secondary market, it is no secret why many brokers choose PRMG as their wholesale partners. PRMG. We strive to be better in all that we do. Get approved with PRMG today.
This is Mortgage News Network.